To market snapshots have been taken and the 24 hours maintenance period just began. According to the Tomarket team, all features will be temporarily disabled and your Toma token will be ready by 2nd of November. That is just few hours from now. As we await the listing of Tomarket on the 2nd of November, just few hours from now, let me first of all congratulate everyone that mined this very token, because personally, I did not take it seriously. And as we await the allocation of this very Toma token, what will be the price prediction of this token and how will the allocation be? Because this is what a lot of folks are interested in right now. So in this video, let's discuss to market price prediction, to market allocation, and what you need to expect before and on the listing date on major exchanges. This is very important right now to all of us that mine this very token. So pay attention, watch this video to the very end. And if you want to join our Telegram channel for more crypto content, news and updates, check the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment, the link right there, and join. It is absolutely free. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. From the information I've already gathered from a source, the Tomarket token is going to be 500 billion, okay? And this information need further verification. And I am not saying this is going to be the total supply, to be very, very exact, okay? This is just a source and need verification from the Tomarket team. So let's work with 500 billion Tomarket token. And if this is true, from this we can predict what the price is going to be for Tomarket. And this is very important. And before we go right there, we need to look at what other projects have done in the past. And this is very important. If you look at X Empire, it is discovered that we have right now 30.1 million market capitalization. And from recent time, the market capitalization of most play to earn have not exceed $100 million market capitalization. What that means is we should not expect anything more than $100 million market capitalization from Tomarket, except in few exceptional cases. Okay, what I mean by that is if the team just want to do something very, very amazing to the community, that can happen, since anything can happen in crypto. So what we need to expect right now is between $30 million market capitalization and $100 million market capitalization. Like I said, it can go above that, but let's keep things simple and work with this range. So if we have X Empire to be $30.18 million market capitalization, then what do you think Tomarket is going to be? We already know that 500 billion token is going to be in circulation. Now, how much of this very token is going to be in the hand of the community? Now, from the Tomarket team, 80% of this very token is going to be for the community, while 10% of this very token is going to be for liquidity, while 5% is going to be for development, and another 5% is going to be for the team and developers. Now we know that the total user of this very app range up to 28.8 million. Okay, so about 28.8 million person participated in the airdrop, and as you all know, not every person did the airdrop the same, and not every participant is going to get the airdrop based on the criteria. And you already know that the criteria have been set by the Tomarket team. So since we have all this information at hand, we can work with 500 billion total supply Toma token. And from this, we can say that 95% is going to be in circulation, or 90%, since 80% for the community and 10% for liquidity. So we can say 90% of this token is going to be in circulation and work with that. So if we say 90% of this token is going to be in circulation, that means we are saying 450 billion Toma token is going to be in circulation. So what does this mean to us as miners? What this means is from this very value, we can then calculate what the market cap will be, and from there we'll know the price. So if we say that this is going to do 0. Let's say 407, it means we are looking at 31.5 million market capitalization, which is what you see right here. Remember, I showed you X Empire right here, which is still at 30.18 million market capitalization. And if we say that Tomarket is going to do this much, then we should expect the price to start from 0.00007, that's 0.407. This is what I am expecting from the Toma token, and this is very personal. So in my personal opinion, I think the market price should start with 0.00007, that's 407, and up to 0.409, which will give you 40.5 million market capitalization to 0.301, okay, which will give us 45 million market capitalization. And the highest I am expecting this token to do is 0.305, which is a possibility, which is 22.5 million market capitalization right here. And this is my personal opinion. This is what I am expecting. So in my opinion, I am looking at Tomarket to be within 0.407 and 0.301. This is the range you should expect. And if things go juicy, you're going to see 0.305. So put your expectation between 0.407 and 0.301. Okay, this is the range you should limit your expectation to. And this is very important right now. So let's say, for example, you have 1 million of this very token as allocation. So 1 million of this token as allocation multiplied by 0.407, you're going to have $70 of this very token worth. And this is what you can get from the airdrop. If you have more than this, you can even get more than $70. And if the market becomes juicy to 0.301, then you're going to have $100 as the token worth for a 1 million token allocation. That is a Toma token. And this is very important right now. And we know that people are going to get this token depending on the way you mine on the app. And your allocation is going to depend on the criteria that have already been set. Remember, snapshot have been taken and allocation is on the way. So this is what you should expect right now, guys. Don't over expect from the Toma team, because as you can see right here on CoinMarketCap, most play to earn these days have not been doing fine. And we need to keep our expectation low, even though there's a possibility of this market moving all the way to the upside. You can see X Empire right now lying at 0.404, and you can see that this is almost a little bit higher compared to the Toma token at 500 billion. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this whenever I upload a new video. Also, check the channel for other crypto content and join our Telegram channel with a link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.